Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by verifying power and drivers. This prevents automatic dimming and odd behavior. On Windows, press Win plus I to open settings. On Mac OS, click the Apple menu, then System Settings. If you use an external monitor, make sure it's connected and powered on so its controls appear. Once done, locate Display or System right arrow Display. That section centralizes brightness controls and adaptive options. Make sure to keep an eye on power mode, because it directly affects available brightness range and behavior. You now change brightness precisely. Drag the display slider to the level you need, watching contrast and comfort. If adaptive or auto brightness is enabled, toggle it off to override ambient adjustments. This prevents sudden shifts when lighting changes. For quick changes, use keyboard brightness keys with FN modifiers, or on external monitors, open the OSD menu to change backlight directly. If multiple displays are present, adjust each one. Make sure color profile and night light settings don't alter perceived brightness. You finish by testing brightness during typical use, web browsing, video, document work, to confirm comfort and visibility. If sliders or keys don't work, update or reinstall display drivers, because driver issues often remove controls. For external screens, reset the monitor's OSD to factory defaults and receipt cables. Faulty DVI/HDMI/display port cables can cause backlight problems. If that fails, try safe mode or create a new user profile to rule out software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.